Well, it is my birthday, and now I'm 47 years old today. And so, this is what else I got for my birthday, a set of clocks. Yeah, I'm upgrading my clocks in the room. It's got that crazy name that every time I try to pronounce it, I can never get it right, so I'm not going to try to pronounce that name. And don't get in the comment box being rude about that. But anyways, so let's go ahead and get into these clocks. It's very basic. I got one for my room and one for at work. And here we go. A box in a box. And then one of them is for work. Amazon's getting worse and worse and worse. They gave me like 6 pieces of this freaking paper with all this garbage that they put on here. It never gets better. It just never fails yet. Amazon, get it together. Stop giving us all this garbage all the time. All right, and let's put this box out of the way. We're going to go ahead and unbox these clocks. Fortunately, I'm not going to unbox both of them because it's the same clock. So I'm only going to unbox the one that's going to go here in my room. And then the other one, I'll just be putting it up at work on Friday. So I'm not going to even take it out of the package until I get to work at Friday because it's for work. So I'm only going to unbox the one that's going to go in my room here. Okay, I got batteries for it too, so let's see what we got. I want to pause and read the thank you letter. You may do so. Just pause the video and feel free to read that letter. The brand name of the clock, Dream Sky. My sister has the same clock in the bathroom, and after seeing hers, I was like, you know what? I got to get that clock too and get it for my room and for work. So I got myself a pair. I know what you're thinking. Well, what's so special about that clock? It's just a very basic 10-inch clock. Well, the minute hand right here, the one that rotates, it doesn't have that loud clicking sound. It's a real smooth, silent ticking hand. And that's what I like about it. And it also keeps up the time very accurately. Dream Sky is a very good brand. So, in my opinion. So we're going to put this up on the wall and see how it does. And then I have a video showing it on the wall. Hold on 1 second. It does come with the hooks. A special type of hook right here that you'll put in the back to hang it on the wall. But I'm pretty sure you can avoid that. You can avoid using that. But I guess that's why they give it to you for a reason. But I don't think I'm gonna use it. What appears to be a manual on how to operate the clock for somebody that just don't know how to operate a clock. Looks like it's deep enough to fit in there. Let's see how this will actually work. So I'm probably gonna have to try to figure this off the camera. Once I get that figured out, then I'll hang it up on the wall. So I'm gonna cut the video here and I'll be right back. Now y'all see how the hand is moving real smooth? The minute hand. This is a pretty cool clock in my opinion. I like how the minute hand is moving. It's real smooth. It's not ticking, it's just smooth and it's quiet. It's a little bit crooked, unfortunately. All right, well, that's it. So that's the clock. This is one of the other things I got for my birthday. Please don't be rude. I know it's not a fan video, but y'all gonna have to get used to me doing different content. And when I do different content, I don't need the rude comments in the comment box. Please, try to understand that I'm doing different content as well. Just try to understand that without being rude in the comment box. All right? I'm not the fan, man. Thanks for watching. Wish me happy birthday today. I'm 47 now. God bless you and gone.